Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be playing Minecraft. And it's not only a normal Minecraft. As you can see, I'm in the starting screen, and today my birthday. As you can see, I got the new headphones. So if you and I got another new headphone over there, and we're not gonna be uploading. This is gonna be after my birthday. Yeah. So I think that I'm gonna just close this and put a now. Okay. So as you can see, when it's gonna be loading, here we go. We are ready. So okay, let's make it just hard that you guys hear it. Not only me, as you can see, I got the headphones. It is Bluetooth, as you can see, and as you can see, here is my city. I'll put this here. There we go. Here's my city. There is the airport. There is this thing, and there's this thing. Those. And when I did a hole in my brother, I was just trolling him. So if the sound is delayed a little bit because I'm using Bluetooth, so it's very bad. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna show you how to build the vending machine, what I did in here. So if I came here, I'm gonna close this door. Here you go. You see this? This is the vending machine. My finger is in the way. So here is the apple, and here's the cooked fish. So I want an apple. You get 3 apples. Now you open the chest. Wait for it. Again. Why? But that crap. That's really crappy. Yeah, I'm not joking. Okay, if my finger in the way, don't. Excuse me, I'm just playing Minecraft. Like, don't accuse me of. Yeah. Okay, now it's facing there. Now this needs to work. Okay. Was working. I don't know why I'm making no work. What is every time getting here? Okay. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's need a word, but I don't know what is this. So I'm gonna make it here. So as you can see, this thing what you need a hopper, and it's actually a small build. I'm sorry that my finger in the way. I'm just picking it. And you need any kind of block. I'm gonna use gold and diamonds, and use any kind of slab, and then we're gonna use I don't know what to do. Okay, and then you need some redstone, of course. You need a torch. You need a torch. You need this. You need a butter. You need like, I think this is what you need. It's a really simple build. So you get some diamonds. Yeah, I'll put this here. Get some diamonds. Put in the slab here. Put a slab here. The lid here, and yeah, you need a chest. Put a chest here. put two. Shift, one here, one here. Shift, one here. No, it's gonna be. However, you put this here, one here, one here. Then you take an icon of block, put one in front of it. Okay. Now you come here. Whoops. 2, 3. And then you need to get another redstone torch. And yeah. Search and you put a redstone torch. And then come here and then shit and put a redstone torch, another one. I don't know why did I get the repeaters. You could do it without a repeater, but I just got repeated. I don't know why. Okay, here we go now. And then you take two buttons. You put one in, one in. This is how you do it. Yeah. Yeah, this is how you do it. So look, as you can see, let's do like items. Here gonna be golden block. The down button gonna be golden block, and this is gonna be a dump. Wait, this need to be blocking. The dump block, why is not working? If you don't know, the redstone need to prevent the thing to pass. I don't know. I'm not. Oh. Okay, put this here. This here. Redstone. Shift. Put this redstone. Now this needs to not make it to drop. Still dropping. Okay. I swear, if this doesn't work, I don't know what will. Put power to it. You know, I'm a redstone professional, so I understand. So if I put another good block, no, not this problem. One sec, I just need to figure it out. What is this? So guys, I figured it out. So I put this down in the layer of this torch. This torch putting it down, so it should be powered. And I need to pick up the gold block. It says in the chest. Here we go, the chest. And then let me put this here and put this here again. There we go. Now, as you can see, I used a repeater because I went to look at the last one, so it should work. Yes, it worked. So it needs to work now. Let's try. Go and you get your diamond block here. Where is it? Is it in the same place? Bro, how? I know, I think the diamond is too heavy for it. So let's use upgrading. Cause I really want to finish this. Here we go. It was working, baby. No, it's working. Come on. Check. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, now it's not here. It's not in the chest. It's not here. It's not here. Not here. Oh my goodness, seriously. Again. Painting. Bone. Okay. At least this button works. Hey, it's working. Hey, it's working. So, as you can see, guys, it's working. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss a video. And I am really sorry. Oh, yeah, I forget. One sec. I'm gonna skip to the outro right now. See you in the outro. So, welcome to the outro, and today I'm gonna be showing you in this outro my new headphones. So as you can see, this headphones that I was recording right now is, as you can see, here is it. I'll do it from out. It's good bend, and this thing is moving. It's pretty cool. I'll go bring the second headphone. Here you go. This is the second headphone. Very long cable with 2 of these buttons. And here's this headphone. I'm gonna model it for you. Put these old cables inside. Oh, here we go. Now, if you want me to record with this thing, just tell me. I'll record with this only one because you know the phones, they have only one thing. So as you can see here, there's this mic, if you can see, and in this one there is a microphone. So I could just do it this for model, or I could just wear it like this. So comment down below, black or white. Tell me what is the coolest one for you. But see you in the next video. Bye.